What up, y'all? It's Yellow Bone, the neighborhood customizer. Check me out, man. I just want to show y'all what I use to make patches real quick. And also I want to point out that y'all ain't the only ones that know me as Yellow Bone. As you see, my job also knows me as Yellow Bone. Watch out now. Nah, but hold up. Check this out. Kimberbell Heavy Tearaway Embroidery Stabilizer. I love this stuff. I actually use this on clothing as well, names and stuff like that. I still use cutaway when I'm doing heavy designs, but this really works good even for clothing for a quick tearaway cleanup. But I want to show y'all how I use it to make patches, so check this out. All right, so excuse my mess up here, y'all, but I've got my heavy duty tearaway right here. You can feel how thick, or not feel, you can see how thick that is. It's nice and thick and sturdy, and it really works good for patches. So all I do is cut me out a piece from my roll. I've got an open roll right here. And this again, Kimberbell. I buy this off of Amazon. You can get it in a 12 by 10 a yard roll like I have here. You can get it in a 20-inch by 10 roll as well, whatever floats your boat. But all I do is take one piece, throw it onto my hoop, whatever hoop. You can use a large hoop, a small hoop. I'm just doing one patch right here. So right there, feel that or hear that, nice and tight, just like a drum, as it should be. Push up my edges to keep it tight. And that's it right there, y'all. So now I'm gonna move it to the machine real quick. All right, so I've got this marine outdoor material that I use for my patches. I buy this is off of Amazon as well. It comes in a large roll, so you get a lot of the material, and it's 100% polyester, basically like twill. Not as thick as twill. Honestly, twill is a little bit thicker. Sometimes I use 2 layers if I want this to be nice and thick, if I want my patch to be really sturdy. But this is just gonna be a simple name patch, so this will do. So all I'm gonna do, move you down here, is I'm gonna throw my hooped Kimberbell Heavy Duty on there. I'm gonna find the side that is my top and put it in here. And then go ahead and hit start. And of course, the first thing it's gonna do is run out my placement stitch. Then I'm actually gonna let it run out my tack down as well. Got some hanging thread here. Let me get that out my way. Didn't need my placement stitch because obviously it's just going right on here. So now it's gonna run my tack down. After my tack down, I'm gonna stop it. As y'all can see right there, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out around the edges. And after I do this, it's gonna run my border, and then it'll run my name in the center. You really want to get as close as you can. I use curved scissors, applique scissors. They really let you get close without cutting what your garment or whatever it is that you are cutting on. So as you see, I've got that nice and close to my tack down stitch. Throw it back on the machine. Keep it rolling. So I'll show y'all what happens and how easy it is to clean this patch up once it's finished. patch is finished stitching out. And this tearaway heavy duty backing, this is why I use it. That comes right out of there. All right. Of course, I've got some loose threads. I'll clip those off the edge. I don't like burning long threads because all they do is ball up. So I like to clip my threads first. All right, take my lighter. Go, okay, does my lighter not work? It's getting low on me. Go around the edges real quick, just to clean up the frays from that tearaway. That's it. I got myself a little name patch right there. And that's all she wrote, y'all. Easy as pie, all right? Again, Kimberbell. Kimberbell heavy tearaway. Kimberbell actually has light tearaway, medium tearaway, and heavy tearaway. I only buy the heavy tearaway because it is very useful. That's it though, y'all. Easy way to do patches and the material that I use to do them. This is all cleaned up already, ready to go. My tensions were off a little bit during it. That is a faux marrow stitch on there as well. And you want to be careful when you're burning this bad boy, because you don't want to burn this bad boy, right? Get all that white out of there. That's it, baby. Let's go. Now I can just stitch this onto the jacket I need to stitch it onto.